What's going on, guys? My name is Seapeekay, host of all things MCC, and it's that time of the week again where we do the Reddit weekly roundup. That's right, we go to the Reddit and we review the posts that have been posted in the last week. It's a good fun time. It's technically going to be a day late again because I'm bad at days and I forget things, but I'm filming it a week after the last one, and that's something, right? It's just going to come out a day later than it should. Please be nice to me. As always, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get this channel to 50k just because I think that's cool. If we can get to 100k, that'd be even better. Imagine getting a plaque for an MCC channel. Absolute madness. But yeah, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get into this week's Reddit roundup. So as always, we're on the Reddit. We've clicked top. We've changed it to this week. And we're going to start from the top and work our way down and get some fun content, hopefully. The first one we see is from Alice Hargreaves, a request for Nox Crew. Now, obviously, since the last one, there has been an MCC. So there's going to be like a mix of some of the posts here. Some of them might not quite have had the time to get up into the top post yet. But this is probably one of the highest amount of upvotes I've ever seen on a post. It was the post of people asking for a bell in MCC, which Noxite eventually replied to with a picture of a bell. This did in fact happen. It was to give Techno a bell to ring for charitable donations. And from what I can see, it worked. They raised over $300,000 for the Trevor Project during the event. It's absolutely fantastic. And a huge part of that was Techno and his army of millionaires. So a huge thank you to Techno and the gang and to everybody who took part and donated to the cause. It was such a fantastic event. And again, thanks to Noxite and the Nox Crew for coming up with, for allowing them to put the bell in the lobby. Good vibes at the start of this. All right, next up, we got a sponsored post. Grills and Smokers. Great, cool. Don't care. What a win for the Aqua axolotls. I'm proud of them. Yes, as you can see, this is, of course, definitely the Aqua axolotls. This was taken from the end of the event when it ended up being a 20 versus 21 dodgeball, thanks to Philza also joining in. And the teams were split to Aqua and Orange. So as you can see here, they ended up on the Aqua team, which is pretty funny because Aqua won. And sadly, Pink did not. They came third by 2 coins. But we don't talk about that because it upsets people. Moving on. Next one down is by no one. I'm not going to cover this too much because there was a lot of drama on the Twitter right before MCC started. Scott was apologizing for something and Captain Sparkles was backing him up. It's really cool to see his friends supporting him like that, as they should. But yeah, we don't want to get into that because it was just a bunch of drama stuff. And we don't want that here. Probably the funniest moment of MCC Season 2 so far. Wilbur can't play because a fire alarm goes off. Fills our Minecraft substitutes. Yep. So there's a big talk about who was actually going to substitute. Technoblade was trying so hard to get Dream in the event, but it really wouldn't have been a fair swap now, would it? So Philza ended up jumping in because Philza was already watching it, and it made sense for Philza to be able to jump in, take over for one game, and then jump back out when Wilbur came back. So big claps for Philza Minecraft for jumping in and saving the day. Quite an important post here, I suppose, posted by Snoop. Techno, plenty of us watch you because you're funny and not because you're good. So basically it goes on to say that Techno hasn't been taking part in MCCs because he feels a lot of pressure to do well. And if he doesn't do well, then he gets down on himself. And obviously no one likes that feeling. It's just an encouraging post, letting Techno know that a lot of people actually just watch because he's really funny. I also agree. I don't really care if Techno is good. Techno is just a very funny character to watch. That's the reason I watch some of his content and don't necessarily care how good he is at the game. Let's be honest, you all watched him farm potatoes for months. So realistically, a lot of people are there just because he's funny and a fun character. So I'd love to see Techno come back as a regular character. Hopefully it's something that's going to happen, but only Techno knows. Maybe he'll join in every now and again, but we're hoping for Techno back going forward. I knew this would make it in here. Creek got jokes, 1,900 upvotes. Creek in my stream, my own stream. He has the audacity, okay, the audacity to come in my stream and said, had to turn up Seapeekay's volume because I couldn't hear him all the way down there on the scoreboard. Just getting verbally abused in my own stream by Creek. But no, Creek's a really good guy. He's got like great fun banter about him. So I'm hoping that Creek can get back in the future. He seems like a good dude and definitely has a fun time. So much respect to Creek. But I am banning him from my stream forever. So peace out, Creek. Speaking of my stream, if you want to watch it, guys, link in the description. I stream every day except for Mondays, 6 days a week, 4 hours a day. So come watch. We usually play MCC related stuff, so maybe you'll have fun there. Safin Soul letting us know that Grian's just far too powerful. Dream, I was scared of Grian. Technoblade, same. Dream, he has killed me too many times. Again, I said this is a joke the other day, but I think it's true. Maybe like 20 or 30% of the posts that end up on this Reddit somehow come from my stream. I guess because I'm on the MCC practice server a lot and I'm streaming on there, that I'm usually there for the interactions. So yeah, we got some great Dream and Techno rivals duo tweet stuff going on my stream recently. But it's super cool. I love seeing people like use screenshots and stuff from my stream. I really enjoy it. So keep it up. go crazy. And of course, Grian is too powerful. Ah, yes. So for those of you who don't know, I did get top 10 for the very first time in this MCC. The last 2 times I was on Cyan, I got 11th place. So hopefully I wasn't going to get 11th place on Cyan again. Seapeekay finally placing individual top 10. 1 coin difference with 11th place. Yep. So I beat Pearl by a coin. A single coin. So pretty insane, especially since the last fight I was actually in MCC was survival games versus Pearl. Like me and Pearl were having a 1v1. So pretty insane that this is how it happened. But I must say, not even close. If Wilbur was in every single game, he'd have finished 8th and I'd have finished 11th. You know, we move on. That's the nature of the beast. I'm 1 coin better. Very cool. A post celebrating LD Shadow Lady coming out as bisexual after MCC Pride. Really, really cool. Everyone's congratulated Lizzie, as they should. And honestly, I just think like a really fun way to post it. What a great image to go alongside it. Very serious face. 20 versus 20 Dodgeball should be permanent. I think that 20 versus 20 Dodgeball should remain in the game. It's really fun and gives everyone a chance to cool off. Seeing the players just goof off and having a blast is also cool. Also, Wilbur running up to the other side is very funny. Yeah, I agree, actually. I would love to have 20 versus 20 Dodgeball at the end of every event. It is a really nice, like, warm down. You know, like when you go to the gym... Acting like I go to the gym. But when you do like a workout, you're supposed to have like a warm down or like a cool down period where you just sort of, instead of running, you like walk, you know, just to relax your muscles again. This is what this felt like. It was really, really cool. I really enjoyed it. And I do vouch. I would like to see it back at the end of every MCC. I think it was nice. I'm so excited for more of this dynamic tomorrow. So this was obviously on Friday and this happened on Saturday. The event happened on Saturday. And upon filming this, it's Thursday. So some of these posts are a little old now. Technically, you guys have been drafted to BattleBox. Do you guys want to play BattleBox? You have no choice if you want. I laughed at this live on my stream because it was just the duality of man, really. Like, Techno was like, you're going to play. And Grian was just being very politely, if you want to play, you can play. So, big up. This is a very cool piece of art, too. I like this. We win these. Yes, this was the follow-up post. Reddit post asking Noxcrew, Noxite, it's major to put a bell in the hub as 1.4k upvotes and it's climbing. And then, yeah, Noxite replied with this bell post. So that's how we knew we were going to get the bell. The Dream Slayer's Curse. Grian got 3rd in MCC twice in a row, having 2 of the strongest players in his teams, which means he probably is cursed like Captain Sparkles. Dun dun dun. Has the curse moved on? We'll find out. Techno's community breaks records. Like an insane person I am, I tallied up the donations coming from Techno's community during and before MCC Pride. I slept maybe 3 hours of the last 48 hours. The tally came up to about $65,000 from the community alone and over $100,000 with the help of 2 specific content creators. Thank you, Scott, for creating an event in Pride. Okay, so 24 hours before the MCC, there was $25,000 donated, and during the event, there was $40,000 donated from Technoblade's community. Then Technoblade donated $26,000. Philza donated $10,500, meaning the total raised by Techno and his community is $101,000, which is, you know, it's 1/3 of the whole amount of money that was made, basically. So huge vouch to Techno and his community. I actually experienced Techno's community for the first time in a long time recently when they all came to my stream because I was playing Dodgeball and BattleBox versus Techno, and they are insane. Such a nice group of people. There was absolutely no toxicity. It was unreal, and they're always welcome in my streams for sure. So big poggers to Technoblade and his community. Thank you for your service. Wilbur was really on fire at this event. Wilbur does bad in MCC to team with friends. Wilbur is top 10 in a charity event. Wilbur is so good that his fire alarm goes off. Wilbur is so good that his fire alarm goes off. Yeah, obviously super bad, but Wilbur's fire alarm in the office that he works from went off, and he had to miss about 3 rounds of parkour tag, and he missed all of BattleBox, then came back to get to the other side. Sadly, it also meant that he was in 8th place, and he slipped out of the top 10. Which actually is why I got into the top 10. But obviously, it's such a random game. You never know what would have happened. I mean, I may still have got into the top 10 if Wilbur played. You don't know, but realistically, I probably would have got 11th again. So thanks, Wilbur's fire alarm. This is a nice moment. I actually watched this clip already. Wilbur said that he improved in build mart because of Grian. This is a nice clip.
And I was doing really well. I did what Grian called a floater in Big Cells of Build Mart, which I'm now going to say that's just how I'm going to play it now. I was so good at that. Like, big ups to myself. You know, you got to know when to amp yourself up, guys. And I think I did really well at that too.
Agree.
I was very proud of myself. And Grian said I was really good. Grian was lovely. In case you don't know, chat, Grian is kind of like probably one of the few Minecraft YouTubers, apart from like Tommy, that I'll watch every video of.
So, yeah, basically, like, if you didn't watch their perspective of MCC, I highly recommend you go back and watch some of it. It was very cool. Grian really led the team in Build Mart and told Wilbur what to do and what to go and get. And Wilbur did such a good job of collecting mass amounts of resources. So Very cool. And we always love to see, you know, Wilbur was showing some love to himself and to Grian. And I think it's great when content creators lift each other up like that. Very, very cool. Big pogs, Wilbur. A suggestion for a new death message because of Wilbur's alarm last night. Since Pink Parrots lost by 2 coins and the fire alarm situation cost them Dodgeball, I think it'd be funny if we could see a Wilbur's fire alarm went off message in the chat at one point. I do agree. I do think that would be kind of funny, honestly, but only time will tell. I'm not sure how often they add new ones. Another meme of poor Wilbur. Wee woo, wee woo. This is fine. Thankfully, there was no actual fire, it appears. Wilbur was fine to go back in the building and everything was okay, thankfully. But yeah, this is a good meme. I love this. MCC Pride Time, let's go. Who reached the first goal before the event even started? You! Technoblade Millionaires. Love that. This is a really cool post. I didn't even see Scott do this. Is this actually a post that Scott posted or did someone make this? I actually don't know. I could just check Twitter, but I really can't be bothered. But very funny meme either way. Technoblade running for his life from legendary PvP god Squishy. Again, I think this is from my stream, actually. This was the same night that we practiced. So, yeah, very, very well known. Technoblade sprinting as fast as they can from Squishy, who was a cold-blooded killer on the practice server. Super cool fan art. Love this. MCC Pink Parrots winners POV. Although in my head, I'm thinking that I already saw this in the last Reddit roundup, and now I think I'm losing my mind. Hold on. Never mind. I was wrong. I just flicked through my entire video. This is sick artwork that I have absolutely never seen before. So, good job, Inozu Art. Inozu Art. Very cool. A post from Creek shouting out everybody in the event. Creek's a really good guy and has actually been really active in the Reddit too. So always cool to see a fellow Reddit user and grinder of the practice server. So love that. It really sucks, doesn't it? Pink Parrot fans being upset that they got 3rd place. Captain Sparkle fans. First time. True. True. Arise, fellow Asians. I'm going to watch MCC live. You're going to sleep before the event, right? You're going to sleep before the event, right? Yeah, this is like a big meme amongst the community that people from Asia and people from Australia have to get up like between like 3 and 5 a.m. in their time zones to watch MCC. So huge respect, big salute to all those dedicated early morning grinders who get up to watch MCC live. The first and probably last 5-person team in MCC. Yeah, I could be wrong, but I don't think anyone's ever subbed in mid-game and then had to sub back out too. So this is very cool. Hey, the grills and smokers are back. Maybe we should get some of these, you know? So right after the event, Aqua actually won the event, and YouTube Gaming tweeted out the old Aqua team. Congratulations to Aqua axolotls for taking the MCC Pride crown. Thank you again to our partners, MC Championship and Trevor Project, all the creators who participated, and the fans. So yeah, obviously, Krinios' picture is there, and they actually did fix it later on. They deleted this post, and then they posted another one, so big up YouTube for correcting the mistake. Well, this happened. Wilbur carrying Pink Parrots in MCC. His office fire alarm. Pulling him away from that. Yeah, Technoblade was the 1st place player, but Wilbur was actually popping off high into the top 10, so big shame, because Wilbur really deserved it too. You tell I'm a bit late, but I'm watching the stream. Pink Parrots fills a Minecraft, coming to save them. What was cool about this is we did get a lot of cool like appreciation posts after the event for like, you know, different players, different teams, which is really sick. It's very long, so I just recommend you go to the Reddit and read it yourself. You can see it's from Creamer Crumble, but a very good post. I hope Wilbur sent a strongly worded email to his office. Wilbur popping off the fire alarm. Cool here as well to see Philza did a huge donation to the charity cause as well. So big poggers to Phil. Pink Parrot still first in our hearts. We love you, Phil. We did get quite a lot of Pink Parrots art this time as well. We got a Magnolia cat with this very cool art of Grian carrying the pink team, literally. And this one just underneath as well. Go Pink Parrots. It seems to have them all as like adorable little like characters of themselves, which is very cool. And that was by Cotton Cat Rye, so good job. Love this. Imagine getting 5th. L. Technoblade, fastest laps. Illumina actually got the fastest lap this time around. But one of his laps was significantly slower, meaning that Technoblade actually got 1st place overall. So cool to see though. Illumina, Techno. Mad. I'm going to finish it off with this. A piece of fan art of my own team because it was actually sick. It was so good. I was actually going to use this as my thumbnail, but I'd already committed to using another photo as my thumbnail. So this is really cool. This is, you know, me, Spifey here, Laserbeam, and Muzak with his potions. It was such a fun team. I actually had a blast and we did so good. It was so much fun. So huge credit to these guys. They were so much fun. And 2 of them got up at 4 a.m. to do this. So congratulations to them for being such grinders. And that's where we're going to leave it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this week's Reddit Roundup. If you want to be in the Reddit Roundup, get a post with a lot of upvotes by next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Seapeekay and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.